Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Pro. First, open your Binance app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access your account overview and settings. This is where we'll find the option to make the switch. After tapping your profile icon, you'll see a menu with various options. Near the top, you should spot a toggle switch labeled Binance Lite. This switch indicates whether you are currently in the simplified Lite mode. If it's currently enabled, meaning you're in Lite mode, we'll need to turn it off to activate the Pro experience. To activate Binance Pro, simply tap the Binance Lite toggle switch. You'll notice it slides to the off position, indicating that you've successfully switched modes. The app will then refresh, and you'll instantly see the more detailed and feature-rich interface of Binance Pro. It's a quick and seamless transition, giving you access to a wider range of tools. With Binance Pro, you unlock a world of advanced cryptocurrency trading. You can access more complex order types, detailed charting tools, and a broader selection of trading pairs. This mode is perfect for experienced traders who want to utilize features like futures and margin trading, giving you greater control and more opportunities in the market.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.